while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite.
Hello mi gente, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be getting ready for Bad Bunny's concert together. Whoop, whoop. So he's coming to Houston. He's going to be in the Sugarland convention, but I'm a little scared to make this video, guys, because I recorded 3 different videos in the past 24 hours and they were all deleted. My SD card, for some reason, it says video cannot play, and then I put it in my computer and it said video corrupted. And I was like, why is this happening to me? On my only day off, I've been recording videos after video and they were all deleted. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Like, if you guys are watching this video, then woo! This prayer has worked. Thank you, Lord. Let's go ahead and make the video. So I'm going to use my favorite primer. This one by Smashbox. Let's go ahead and blur all these imperfections away.
Is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
For foundation, I'm going to use this one by Lancome, and it's the one I use in all my videos. It is in the shade 270, and I'm going to put it with my beauty blender. I'm really using this one. This beauty blender blends everything in so nicely. Honestly, guys, if you don't have one, you should get one. It's so worth it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to use this one by Too Faced. And I've been so excited to use this one in one of my videos because it's so blendable, full coverage, and it's just cute. And to blend it out, I'm going to use this little sponge that I got at Ulta. It's in my haul video. If you guys didn't watch that haul video, I'm going to put in the description below. Make sure you watch that one. It's my last video. And I love this little sponge. It just blends everything so nicely. Alright guys, we just concealed our face. Whoop! So now we're gonna go ahead and bake our under eyes because we gotta have that smooth under eye. And to bake it, I'm going to use Bye Bye Pores by It Cosmetics. I love this powder because it has silk. It doesn't have talc in it, so it's gonna give me that nice smooth effect. If you guys need a really good powder, even for all over the face, I would recommend this one all day. And I'm just gonna use the same little tiny sponge I got at Ulta. And let's pack this on, baby. Let's pack it on.
Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Linger and touch these soft words.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna let my face bake, but I would do eyeshadow and give you guys a nice glam eyeshadow look, but I got these eyelash extensions on yesterday, and the lady told me do not do anything for 48 hours. Do not get a chemical pill. Do not put on any eye makeup. Do not try to not use any oils or waters. Do not sweat. Do not work out. And I'm like, girl, I can't do anything for 48 hours. So I'm just not gonna fuck with it because I don't want my eyelashes to come out. We're just gonna work with it, okay? I'm just gonna leave it alone, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face. So I'm gonna let this bake for a little bit. Should I go ahead and do my contour while I wait? Let's contour this face. So I'm going to use my favorite bronzer, and it's this one by Too Faced, in the light matte. Not the medium, not the deep, the light matte. Look how beautiful, guys. Gorgeous. And I'm going to use my contouring brush by It Cosmetics. Blend this in. Now, do like this. Contour this forehead, because guys, you know, you see that forehead, you know it's a big forehead. You're like, let's say contour that shit, contour that shit. So let's go ahead and contour it. Okay, I like it like that. Alright guys, so I just learned my lesson. Next time I'm gonna use a banana powder on my face because this is too white for the camera. You guys are like, girl, you're not going like that to see Bad Bunny. You won't get kicked out. I'm going to use this one by Dose of Colors in the I Love Saturday collection. It is Soulmate. Okay, this is really cute. Pack it on, pack it on, pack it on. It's cute. Alright guys, and I'm going to use the Breezy for more highlight because you can never have too much. And let's just put some right here. Ooh, yes. Oh, grrr. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. I'm getting a little too excited right now. Eyeliner by Stila. It is a waterproof eyeliner. It is my favorite eyeliner. And if you guys got this at home, and like me, I didn't know how to bring it up, more product, and I was like, I was twisting, kept twisting, and nothing would happen. So you guys, you gotta twist on the opposite direction to make the product come out, okay? That's a little tip for y'all. But I'm gonna go in my waterline. Now we're gonna need some mascara, and I've been wanting to use the Climax mascara by NARS for so long. Now NARS, what is up with your names? First we got the Orgasm blush, then we got the Climax mascara. Don't think we don't know what you're up to. Oh, grrr. NARS, you did that though. I like it, and it's my first time using this mascara. It's so good. Okay, I'm going to use this lip liner by NARS in the color Mariachi. top it off, I'm going to use this red lipstick by Japanesque. Okay, I feel like I'm missing something, but I don't know. What is the secret? What am I missing? Of course eyeshadow, but what else? Let me just contour my nose really quick. So I'm gonna use this contouring palette by Anastasia. Now which one should I use? Okay, so I'm gonna use this one right here. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off camera. We just did that though. Look at this look. Ooh. Oh, alright guys, so now to keep on your makeup all night, you know this Urban Decay all-nighter spray is the bomb.com. Ooh. Ooh. Make sure you're popping. I really do look like I work for Colgate. Now I'm gonna go and do my hair. Alright guys, so I just went and did my hair off camera, and I really like how it looks, the finished look. I'm so ready for this concert, guys. But let me tell you something. I was watching my video, I took a little sneak peek, and I saw that, I don't know if it's here or if it's here somewhere, I can't tell right now. It looks a little blotchy, but I want to tell y'all, I got a mirror right here, and it looks good in person. So I guess it's the camera, I don't know, but I took a picture on Snapchat and I was like, my makeup is popping. But then I looked on the camera on my Canon and then my makeup just wasn't looking good, so I'm over here like kind of scared.